It is a story of year 2003. Barely anyone in the desert state of Rajasthan knew about National Law University when Sagar Joshi founded an institute to prepare students for NLUs. He definitely had a tough time spreading the awareness about NLUs, but his efforts and zeal led to fabulous results in 2006, 2007, 2009, 2011. In 2011, Law Prep went a step ahead to establish its first branch outside Jodhpur, and thus Law Prep came to Jaipur under the directorship of Navneet Singh. He is a double postgraduate in law from National Law School, Bangalore, and thereafter has mentored students in two crucial sections, that is legal aptitude and general knowledge. The task was equally tough in Jaipur as we could manage to enroll only 25 students to teach in the first year of Jaipur. But hard and consistent effort paid off, and CLAT 2012 saw North India topper from Law Prep Jaipur in form of Sahaj Badaya. Not only this, Law Prep Vishwajit Singh attained CLAT All Rajasthan Rank 1. Law Prep Tutorial never looked back since that result and continued its excellence in 2013. Then 2015. And 2016 as well. The remarkable break came in the year 2017 when Law Prep Tutorial Jaipur student Rajat Malu topped CLAT all over India. Rajat became the first from Rajasthan to achieve this field in CLAT ever. An engineering aspirant initially, he came to Law Prep in search of high dreams and realizing his true potential. Law Prep swept away the CLAT 2017 results completely with Sania Abbasi also claiming AIR 7 and several others, making to Makkah of legal education NLU Bangalore. The Law Prep saga from that stage went on to get the national acknowledgement and was the right time to expand to multi-cities in India. CLAT 2018 was ruled again by the Law Prep Tutorial, giving maximum NLU Bangalore selection from any coaching institute across India. Meanwhile, in 2017, taking inspiration from Rajat, another determined boy had joined Law Prep Jaipur in 2-year batch in his 11th class itself. This boy looked determined for exceptional result right from the first day, and then started coming the result for 2019. Law Prep Jaipur Soumya Singh got All India Rank 1 in L8 AILET. Just before after that he stood AIR 1 in another law exam SLAT. He broke all the record when CLAT results came, and he was All India topper even in that, thus outscoring everyone in the country in 2019 in all the major law entrance exam of India, a unique distinction which only Soumya Singh has achieved till date. Not only this, law prep made a record of genuine 130 selections in NLUs in 2019. Several from law prep have won prestigious Aditya Birla Scholarship. It's a proud feeling for law prep that its students have made us proud even after their law degrees by getting placed in top law firms. Foreign companies also judicial services. More years to come, more success to follow.